In this video, you will learn how to add a slideshow into your Weebly website. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the left-hand side and choose the slideshow button. Now, if you click on the slideshow button and you drag it over, you want it to be in the My Favorite Artist or Movie section, depending on what you picked. You want the blue bar to line up alongside of your text box for this section, and you can either put it on the left side, or if you bring it over, you can move it on to the right side. Just make sure you see that blue bar next to your text box. So this is going to create two columns. Now you can choose a slideshow style. My favorite personally is where they have the thumbnails on the bottom, but feel free to add whichever one that you like. You're going to choose that option, and then you're going to click on the continue button. See how I couldn't see the continue button at first? All I did was press command -sign, which zoomed me out, which made me able to see that. And then I click continue. So this is going to pop up my slideshow photos, and this is where I'll be able to upload my photos. So again, I'm going to use my CC search in order to find images of Sarah Bareilles, because that is the person that I did my research on and wrote about. Cool, so I went to Flickr, I found an image, I click on it, I check the rights, and as it loads, I can see I'm free to use or share. So I can download the image, original size, pops up on the bottom with my footer, come back to my website, and I can start uploading my photos from my computer. So I click upload, I'm in downloads, it should be my first image, I choose open, and this is where all the library of all my photos would show up, and I'd be able to manage them. I'd be able to drag and reorder them if I want. I can link, and I can also write a caption. So we need to do both of those things again. So I go to my link, click on it, choose website URL, go back to my image, copy the URL for it, paste into the URL box, leave open in a new window, and then I click on my caption, which is this little talk bubble, and this is where I have to add my information. So photo taken by, go back to my image, Lunchbox LP on 8/23/10. So again, Lunchbox LP on 8/23/10. And click save. So if I'm done with all my photos, I would click save. If I needed to add more photos, I would click the add photos button. So right now I'm going to click save. I scroll down, I can see there's my first image. As I continue to add them, they're going to pop up the thumbnail versions on the bottom. And I can also resize these photos, I believe, if I click on it. And I can drag that blue bar that separated it. When it has that double arrow like that, I can click and drag it in, and I can make my photo gallery bigger or smaller as I choose, depending on how much text I have over here. And you want to make sure you have 3 to 5 images of your artist or movie.